in this video, let's talk about why grinding harder isn't the answer. Okay. So in this video, let's talk about this. You notice that probably you're hearing a lot of like Facebook Reels or maybe YouTube Shorts or maybe other contents out there that say you gotta have discipline, 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 discipline. Right? But the thing is that a lot of people are going to be burnt out because of that. One of the biggest secrets in terms of building that consistent self-discipline is to work on baby steps. Take small steps, brick by brick. Okay? I could do 12 hours a day when it comes towards building multiple online businesses out there. Right? But the thing is that you have to really understand that it takes time to build that muscle. So you want to put that philosophy and analogy when it comes towards fitness. Let's say, for example, you just started out going to the gym. There is no way that you can bench press 3 plates on each side, so 45s on each side on your first day. No way. It takes time to build that muscle. It takes time to build that self-consistent discipline. Everybody is uniquely different. Just because you hear an idea out there doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Remember, brick by brick, small steps. And when you take those small steps long enough, look what happens. Those small steps are going to be building from time. You're going to be like, oh, I can get used to this. I can get used to this. And what happens is that you're triggering that reward circuit consistently because you start to believe in yourself more that you can do this. Okay? So the thing is that there's no way that you could be benching or doing heavy weights on your first day or even couple months. It takes years. So if you say all these guys that are saying it's all about discipline, because they already built that muscles. There's different levels. Comparison is a thief of all joy. Do not compare yourself with others. Use that as an inspiration. Remember that. Comparison is a thief of joy. Don't compare yourself with other people. You're just gonna mentally burn yourself out and your mental state's gonna be off. Focus on your lane and be like, if they can do it, I can do it. But I'm gonna start where I am and work your way up. It goes with anything in life too, guys. Think of like boxing, for example. Your first day in boxing, you don't know how to actually strike, or mixed martial arts. You're like, it takes small steps, but compounding in towards getting those ideal results, but also tracking of where you are, which is also critical. Okay, so remember that. Brick by brick, small steps, and you'll eventually be big enough in towards what you truly want to accomplish. Do not compare yourself with other people. Use it as an inspiration. If they can do it, I can do it. And remember, grinding to death, where I used to be, and I built that muscle, you don't have to do that, okay? It could be 2 hours a day of productivity. Okay, it could be even 1 hour a day of productivity, small steps. And then eventually you're going to be doing 4 hours, 5 hours of that focus. And we talked about this. Okay? Anyways, guys, if you guys would like to check out my free 7-part free training series, it's underneath this video or somewhere above this video. And yeah, hope you guys got some great aha moments in this video, these golden nuggets, because it's truly, truly beneficial. And I want to give that out towards you. I'll see you guys in the next video.